And welcome back in. We're continuing to follow that breaking news. We have some new information coming into the WVTM 13 newsroom right now.
As we mentioned, good news. We are learning that manhunt is over. Sarah Killian has been following police all morning from Homewood down to Hoover, an intense manhunt. Sarah, you're learning that this person has been captured, right?
That's right, Rick and Carla. The manhunt is over. It ended right here at Royal Automotive, right on the line of Hoover and Vestavia Hills off of Highway 31. They've been searching for this suspect for quite a while this morning. They originally had a perimeter set up just up 65 at Lakeshore Parkway, but within the last hour or so, there's been a lot of activity that ended right here at Royal Automotive. Go ahead and take a look at some video that we have here. You could see nearly a dozen police units flying down 65 there. They were heading from Lakeshore Parkway to Highway 31 here in the Hoover Vestavia Hills area. Now, they eventually ended up here in the parking lot of Royal Automotive. We're told they captured this suspect in the back of this dealership. There were several law enforcement agencies here, Hoover, Vestavia Hills, Jefferson County, several others, all trying to capture this suspect. He is accused in an armed robbery that happened at the Galleria Woods Chevron around 3 o'clock this morning off Highway 150 in Hoover. We did speak to a Hoover police officer here on the scene. He tells us that no one was hurt during this manhunt, which is good news this morning. That suspect now behind bars. Live in Hoover, Sarah Killian, WVTM 13.